Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, I was trying to catch my breath. Mom has it.
It's so
Good thing I already jumped in. It's not as bad.
It's okay. It's a cold plunge. It's a cold plunge.
Good for your body. Dad, you were talking all that, how you weren't going to do it.
Oh my gosh!
Don't be a
Ow!
little sissy.
It's fine. It's fine.
Don't plunge, Father.
Oh, but look up.
Belly's the worst. It's deeper right there, Nigel.
It's deeper there. Don't go there.
Oh.
My legs are going to be numb. Keep on moving. The faster we get out. Oh yes, finally. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yay. Wait, I didn't get it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm waiting.
Okay. He's a daredevil. And then we're better. Are you cold? Walk faster. No, he's just tired. All done.